everybody! Welcome back
to Korea's Culture. I am Joel.
My name is Ashley, and today we are at a very special location. So we're going to be going to a traditional market today, and this is awesome because you can see a whole bunch of variety of foods at low cost. It's gonna be so vivid and awesome.
I love 시장s, and that means that we're gonna eat a lot of delicious stuff, right?
Oh yeah. This is one of my favorite markets, so I'm gonna take you on my course today. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I love markets, so show me what your favorite market looks like.
Yes, let's go.
I think there's so many things to look around and eat, so like I really want to just start to look around and get something in my belly for this mukbang.
No, his eyes are bigger than his stomach, but we have a budget today.
Ew.
Dun 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 dun. 감사합니다, 작가님. How much did she give us? We got one, two, three. All right, so we have 30,000 won, which is maybe about like $21 or something.
We're gonna show you just how much 30,000 Korean won can take you in a traditional Korean market for food.
You ready to eat?
Let's do it.
Woo! Okay, so the first stop on my tour today, we're gonna be eating some tteokbokki.
I knew it.
So with our tteokbokki today, we have to have its best friend, kimbap.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
최고인데?
Oh! You have to dip it.
I know.
Oh! Fish cake soup.
And it's really good for like a cool evening or like the winter time. It's awesome.
사장님, 저희 계산할 건데 얼마예요? 9,000원이요?
Oh,
Wow, all that for this food. 감사합니다.
not even $10. 감사합니다. 잘 먹었습니다. Oh, that's ridiculous. What?
This is the second stop. Do you know 닭강정?
Of course I do. This is something that you have to eat when you come to the traditional Korean market.
그 매콤 닭강정 컵으로 하나 주시겠어요?
Oh, 감사합니다.
You know what's so nice? They don't fill it up just to the rim. They fill it over it.
They fill it all the way. You get your money's worth.
That's what I'm talking about when I'm saying like affection. So
Kind
good.
of a little tangy, spicy.
It's perfect because it's like one bite, you know? Okay, we gotta make this really quick before this place gets super filled up because it's so popular here. It's one of the most iconic tteokgalbi locations here. I really want us to come check it out. I made a reservation. Come. They're so fresh. Wow, so juicy. Okay, it's a bit crowded here, so we should go into a little alley.
Yeah, enjoy this treat. Look at that.
Dun, dun.
Look at all the ingredients inside.
It's so juicy, it's falling down. Oh my god, it's so good. It's like a hamburger, but like a lot thicker and juicier.
Oh, watch. I'm gonna finish it right now. One shot.
Let's go eat our dessert now. I've never seen hotak like this because I feel like when they do like 붕어빵, they do the little spinny thing.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
We got our favorite hotak, traditional Korean dessert.
It smells so good.
Really fresh. Look how thick it is. Look at that. The melted sugar.
All right, we still have one more dessert I have to show you.
Another
So
one?
let's eat this. Yeah,
Okay.
let's go to our second dessert.
Okay, let's go. Show me what we got.
This is the last stop. It's marshmallow ice cream.
Wow, I have never had that. But do we have enough money? We ate so much.
The thing, I kind of ran out of money, so 작가님 chance.
Okay. 작가님, chance 주세요. 랜덤으로요? 1, 2, 3, this one. Bring, ding, 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 ding. I'm not gonna look. 5,000원.
와. 오, 이거 내 걸로도 찍어야 되는데. Oh my god.
자, 아이스크림 겉에 뜨거우니까 조금만 이따가 드세요.
네?
감사합니다. 맛있게 드세요.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
I mean, he pulled out a dinosaur head and I was really confused. I don't know what was going on.
I'm excited. You should try the first bite.
Okay. It's so weird because like the outside's hot, the inside's cold. I'm very satisfied with today's course here at the traditional Korean market. So I give you an A+ for being a tour guide.
Thank you.
Everybody should definitely try and make your way to a traditional Korean market when you have the chance. Maybe Ashley can be your guide there too. And then you can give her a gold star.
Oh my God. Okay. Ooh, that was a lot of food that we had today. And it's crazy how much we ate and how many different things we ate on just a small budget. Even though we had to use one of the rider's chances, we got to eat everything that we wanted to today for today's course.
So many different things to eat, and not just that, but you also get to experience, you know, the culture and like everything about the emotion of Korea.
And there's so many different things that are iconic to traditional markets. So next time, let's make a comeback to another 시장.
Yes, and leave a comment below if you want to see more about this or how mukbangs or traditional markets work in your country as well. All right, so we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.